Good morning. I literally just woke up this morning and found a box that I had ordered from D Heaviland Glass. D Heaviland Glass. There's so much more than just the glass. You get this really cool box, perfect for any future glass projects you might have that go into a box this size, and I've already done one that I've shipped. You get all of this, I think this is called condensed foam, right? I mean, wrapped so carefully. And you get D Heaviland cane. This one is one I just happened to see a post from him the other day and immediately went. I've looked at his stuff for years and I've never ordered because never even asked about the price, but I just figured it was way out of my capability to purchase. I'm having a moment here with this tape. But I saw this cane, and I've seen this style of cane before, but only in skinny sticks. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? I love it. And look at the size. I'm going to say, my fingers are actually hiding some of the dimension. I'm going to say it's a 1/4 inch. It's a good 1/4 inch thick. I am trying to get that to focus. Anyway, this is my first video ever doing something like this. I'm tickled pink, and I just wanted to share. You get a box, you get all of this compressed foam to reuse. I do. And, oh, the cool thing, too, is with each shipment, he sends a 6-inch stick. It might not be of the one that you ordered, I don't think. So far, both of my orders have included what I ordered, so maybe that's what he does. But anyway, D Heaviland Glass, you get a stick to test for how you want to cut it, play with it, press it, use it in a project, whatever. D Heaviland Glass. Great stuff.